Hi everyone, we are coming from Kah UMT, the FT Group 12. My name is Liew and my team member is Damien and Kah Seng. Our course is AACS2034 Fundamentals of Computer Network Assignment. So for my part, I will be in charge of Introduction, Network Design, or also we can call Addressing Design, and one more is Network Topology. First of all, I will going to explain the introduction of this assignment. So based on this assignment question, there are three main locations, which is location A, location B, and location C. The number of addressing need for is 35% growth in all areas. In this assignment, the things we need to do is design and assign the host addressing required in the 7 level of each department. And we also need to calculate the number of hosts required of each department given by the table beside, which is this one. This table is also given by the assignment question. This one is the department name, 7 different departments, and the number of hosts required also have 7. So this one is administration department, newsroom department, production department, marketing department, human resource department, engineering department, and one more is international news department. So now I'm going to show how to calculate the number of hosts required after growing the 35% and show the step of calculation. Okay, here is the calculation of how to calculate the hosts required. And this table is the number of hosts required after growing the 35%. So first, I will take one of the example of this department. I will choose administration department. This one is 196. 196 is the number of hosts required before growing. Then 196 plus 35% equals to 68.6. Then the second step is take 196 plus 68.6, which is this one, after times the 35%. Then cross it together, then the answer will become 264.6. Then the final answer, we need to rounding up the number to 265. So that the answer of the administration department number of hosts required is 265. So these 6 other departments also need to calculate by using this formula. Then you will get the answer of number of hosts required after going to 35%. So this is the next part, which is networking design. This is the symbol layout of our assignment. So now I'm going to show the details of our networking design in Cisco Packet Tracer. So here is the symbol layout. You guys can see yellow color, blue color, and purple color. I use the 3 different colors to distribute each location. For example, the location A, I use yellow color. Inside location A, have the 3 departments, green color and 2 blue color. This one is ground floor, second floor, and third floor. Between the location A and location B, which have the 500 meters of these 2 locations. And location B also have 3 departments, which is ground floor, second floor, and third floor. So here also have to mention the department name, engineering department, human resource department, marketing department. So the last one is location C. Location C have 1 department, and 1 department have 2 different floors. This one is ground floor, this one is second floor. And these 2 floors is under the same department, which is international news department. And location B and location C, their range, or we can say the distance, is 200 meters. So this is the simple explanation of our network or addressing design. So now I will pass to my team member, Damien, to show the calculation step for this assignment. Thanks.
So my name is Liew, and I'll be explaining calculation of subnetting table. So in IP address, there are 2 portions, network portion and host portion. So to calculate, we have to use the highest host to cut. So for example, our assignment, our highest host is 265. So we use the number above 265, which are 512. So over here we cut. So after that, we have to find the range of the IP address. So in our assignment, there are 7 departments. So we have to calculate 7 range. So starting off, we use 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.1.255. In between, there are 512 spaces. So after that, you have to continue to add up to 7 range, and at the end, you will get 10.0.11.0 to 10.0.11 to 255. So this is the 7 range that we are going to use later on to assign our IP address in each device. So next, we have to calculate the prefix. So prefix is 8 plus 7, which is the borrow bits at the left. So total is 23. So for subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. So the 254 is the total of the binary. So it's 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 254. So next is the calculation of subnetting table. So to arrange, we have to arrange according to the highest to lowest. So there are a number of hosts required, which is the 35% after the original host. Minimum host is 2 power 8 plus 1 is equals to 257. Maximum host is 2 power 9, which is 512. Network address is the first IP address, which is 10.0.0.0. And CIDR is the prefix which we calculate just now is /23. First usable is network address plus 1. Last usable is the last IP address, which is 10.0.1.255 U minus 1. So it's 254. And the broadcast address is the last IP address. And for the range of address is the range. A usable is the first usable address to last usable address. For addressing table, we have interface IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. For router interface, we use gigabit Ethernet. Switch, we use VLAN 1. And for PC, we use fast Ethernet interface. So for IPv4 address, we assign the IP address according to the range. Subnet mask is what we calculate just now. All must be same because it's classful. So for default gateway, we assign according to the switch, between the switch and the router IP address. But for router, it's not available. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Now I will continue for my part, network topology. First, our topology we use in this assignment is tree topology, and which is the hierarchical structure. And the cable type we use in this assignment is copper straight through, copper crossover, and one more is fiber optic. The reason we choose the tree topology is because we have the three multiple location in this assignment, and the benefit of tree topology is have a highly scalable and easily to reconfigure for our assignment. So now I will showing the details of the topology in our assignment. As you guys can see, this is our assignment in the Cisco packet tracer. And so first, we assign one router, which is router 0, which is the main router, and we also can say the center router. And this main router connect to the router A, which is the router of location A. Then the main router also have connect to router B, which is the router of location C, and one more is connect to the router C, which is for location C. For the connection, we use the fiber optic because the fiber optic is connect to the device for like long distance. So this connection is more suitable for our assignment. And the router A, you connect to 3 different switch, and the switch you connect to different PC. So in this connection, we use this one, which is copper straight through. Copper straight through is can maintain our segmentation and ensure the scalability as our network. So this is the three department of the topology in our assignment. So now we see location B, also same. The location B, we have the router B is for location B router and connect to 3 different switch. The connection cable type, we also choose the copper straight through to connect our switch and between our PC in location B. So last one is location C. This router C will connect one of the switch, and the switch will connect to another switch. This is the copper crossover cable. This cable, the benefit is it allows to transmit and receive signal without to sweat the data. So this is why we choose the copper cross cable. And here also same, we use the copper straight through cable to connect each PC. So this is our network topology of our assignment, and the port we use for router and switch between router and switch is Giga Ethernet, because Giga Ethernet is better and have the high speed for our transmit the data. So now I already finished my explanation of network topology. Now I will pass to my teammate Kah Seng to continue explain for their part. Thank you.
Now let's move on to the next part, which is configurations command. In the assignments, I do this part. Okay, firstly, they have the router and switch. We need to do this password setup configurations and the IP address setup configurations. Okay, in the router, we have the 4 routers, which is 0, router A, router B, and router C. In this all router, we need to set up this code bit, which is the password and the secret password. Okay, firstly, this is the code of it you want to typing in configuration terminal, and then enable password name is classed, and then the secret password is AACS2034, and then do it all with this same code. Then we can run it successfully. And then next is the switch. We have the 7 switch. We need to also doing the same things as the password configurations and using the same code. Okay, for examples, we can try it from the location C switch 6. Okay, and firstly, they will prompt up the user access verification, and then we need to type it the password. So class 33, and then they will prompt up, and then en password. This is we need to type it the secret password. So AACS2034, and then it was successful. Okay, so next we also can try the router. Okay, we can try the router A. Almost the same. They will throw up the same things. We need to type it the same password class, and then end AACS2034. Almost the same. Okay, so next part, which is the IP address configurations. This is the part we need to set up the IP address to link it successfully with the router and the switch to link together, and then we can run it successful and send it a message. So same, this is the code we want to do it, and with the interface, with using the which line with the gigabit internet of the wire, and then they're going to in the configurations terminal, we detect it IP address, IP4 address, your current address, we need to put and the subnet mask, and then no shutdown. No shutdown is this can almost running, or if it's already running, and then it non-stop. Same as the switch, they have a 7 switch. We need to put it. It's almost same with the router of the code. Okay, so next this is a connectivity test, and then this is for example location C to ping to the location A if the ping is successful of with using the this code. So let us try. We try for the location C of the international news department using the command prompt. Okay, firstly we can try to ping to the location A. So we type it the location A 10.0.0.1. So wait a while. When the request timeout is prompt up, this is it means is the device they want to boot it up. So you want to like a performance slow. So you want to wait a while, like open the device. Yeah. So don't worry, there will 2 request timeout and or 2 are receiver. So we want to retype it. They will start up the booting. So all the pings you can run it successful with 100%. Yeah. So same as another device, it's almost the same. Want to wait a while so that you will retract it the same pinging and the same IP address. It will run it successfully with 100%. Yes, so that's all for today. So thank you for all your attentions, and thank you Kah Seng and Damien.